Hello, today I will tell you about is it safe to clear TPM when reinstalling or resetting Windows 11. TPM contains digital certificates that are used to encrypt data such as fingerprints, files, etc. If you have not registered any fingerprints or encrypted your driver, you can safely clear the TPM. Windows usually asks this after a fresh install or a security measure. Follow me to clear the TPM. First, type device security in the search field and click on the application that appears. Click on the security processor details text under the security processor text in the window that opens. Click on the security processor troubleshooting test under the status text. You can see Clear TPM in this section. Click on Clear TPM and select Clear and Reset. Thus, you will have cleared the TPM on your Windows computer. You will not have to clear TPM when your device is restarted.